So what do 3 ham guys do at 06:30 in the morning? To find our way to Pacificon 2018. The light is stuck on red. Don't they know we're going to the swap meet?
Kevin, is there anything you're looking for?
I'm looking for smalls today.
Just smalls?
Yeah, little stuff, you know, something cool. Well, anyways, here we are today. We're getting ready to go into the Pacificon 2018. That's right, folks. You're watching Ham Radio TV with the Vacaville Radio Club, W6VVR. Let's go inside and see what's going on. So you wonder what we're talking about when we talk about smalls and stuff. Take a look at this table. Right, ain't small. I mean, you look through all these drawers.
Jay, you got a place for co-ops?
You look at all the stuff on the table. It could take hours going through it. Gotta look quick. Gotta be smart.
There's some knobs.
Oh, look at this. This is knobs. So what do you got here that's interesting, guys? We're here with Ham Radio TV, and we're going to do a little bit of...
The question is, what's not interesting?
What's not interesting?
I like it.
Can you find anything?
Well, that's cardboard box.
Let's see some World War II radios.
World War II radios?
Oh, very cool.
Oh,
Most part.
the walkie-talkies.
BC 611s.
That's before the Baofangs, right?
Yes, before the bell.
Before the Baofangs. Okay.
Yep. Military issue.
Wow.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. A lot of parachute mobile guys use these.
W6AKB, and this is the guy that's got the cool antenna launcher, and this is the guy that's aiming it right at us. So, Alan or Chris, yeah. Can you guys tell us a little bit about your launcher?
Essentially what we do is we propel a tennis ball using compressed air, towing a line over the trees.
Okay.
So you can pull your antennas out.
Oh, cool.
So this is a tank. The compressor puts air in the tank. This is a valve, and this is the barrel that's the right size to fit a tennis ball. And then a reel to feed the line out at the speed the tennis ball moves, which is fairly high.
Really fast.
What kind of height can we expect?
150 to 200.
That's pretty good.
Wow.
Almost 200 feet,
Wow.
somewhere in that neighborhood.
Are these available only at the swap meet, or we have to online? How do they get them?
AntennaLaunchers.com.
AntennaLaunchers.com. And how much do these things cost?
Kits start at around $100,
Oh, okay.
and then it goes up from there. You know, something like this.
Cool.
It's built with a case could be $400 or more.
And this one here, you have actually a compressor mounted to the side, it looks like.
Yeah, it's mounted to the side.
Wow.
So this is a new piece that I'm still in the process of debugging.
Yeah.
So we use 3D printing now to make some of these parts. So these complicated parts, we can make very complicated parts for not a big investment.
Right. Cool. Alan, thank you very much. Ed?
Pacificon AG6CX.
Okay.
And no ham shack can be at home without one of these things. It's a 1200 picofarad capacitor. I have no idea what you could do other than slice cheese. It's a hell of a thing.
Well, we need to tell our viewers, Ed here is the antenna tuner restoration guy. He does an awesome job. I've seen him at several of the swap meets, and Ed cleans the units, tests the units, and as you can see on the table, he documents what he does. He gives you manuals, and he's been very helpful. And if you go from one swap meet to the other, you'll see him over and over again. So if you show up at a Northern California swap meet, Pacificon or otherwise, check Ed out, the antenna tuner restoration guy.
This is where reactance comes to die, right here. Thank you very much.
Okay, we're still at the Pacificon 2018 swap meet, and last night I had a dream about a guy selling a 7300 because he bought a 7610, and by golly, it's true. A 7300 used at the swap meet. The swap meet has everything. Those of you who stayed home, you're missing out. Got some bird watt meters. Got some UHF cavities. All on one table. Go to the swap meet. It's a high frequency transmitter. 24 volt, crystal controlled. I'm just gonna guess it's kind of old.
Yeah, let's look at the side.
Yeah, the output tubes, the roller coil for the tuning. So remember our friend Bruce, N6THN, he did his demonstration on Anderson power poles and connectivity. And you might be wondering where you could get some of these parts. Well, take a look down here. Anderson power pole kits already put together. It's got the plastic pieces, the internals and the pins ready to go. If you come over here, you'll see the higher amperage ones. Let's just grab one. Here's the 50 amp version that Bruce was showing you. 50 amps. You put it back. And then here's a 30 amp kit right here. There's a 30 amp kit. And in addition to that, here at the Ham Fest, you've got your inline fuses for your standard ATC fuses. You pull the top off, put a fuse in, cut it, put it in line.